So my thing is, how do you go and find someone to partner with where both of you can bring something to the table?
So the way I met Todd is kind of unconvinced. I
Oh
guess it's
yeah.
kind of weird.
I remember this story.
So a friend of a friend messages me and he's like, "Hey, I know this guy that works online." And I'm like, "Okay." And he's like, "Yeah, he's like kind of in like the health and fitness space. Do you know him? He lives in Victoria." And I was like, "No, I don't know anybody in Victoria in this space." And he's like, "Oh, well, you guys should meet. Can I send you like an intro or whatever?" So I was like, "Okay." So he sends me an email, and I end up going out for sushi with Todd for lunch one day, and we kind of hit it off. And he had this. There's a bunch of things he was kind of working on, and then he's like, "Can I pay you to run some ads for this offer?" So I was like, "Okay." And I can't remember, but he's probably like spend 10 grand or whatever on ads and just like tell me where it's at. So I was running a different offer that was similar at the time, I think. And I split tested against it and was like, "You're off by whatever." And
were you running a VSL offer or neutral?
Yeah, these are VSL offers.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And then kind of went back to the drawing board. He rewrote the intro, changed some stuff around, and I tested again, and it was like pretty good. It was really good. And around this time, I can't remember if the other offer I was running was like they were doing like a rebrand or they were changing their focus, but that offer ended up going down. Those guys started a different company. So Todd was like, keep running. Like, what do we need to do to keep running? Like, how can I make this really good for you? So we made a deal with me and him and his other partner, where I could kind of cut in on the email revenue, and the membership revenue. So we have a lot of members on a monthly subscription, and then they do like an online coaching thing on the back end. So I was like, well, that's amazing if I can build something that's going to keep paying me all the time.
Totally.
So I essentially took over managing like almost all of their traffic kind of on like a CPA basis. So their offers are on ClickBank, which is like a rev share model, and ClickBank's not set up ideally for paid traffic. Just because you've got rebills being clawed back, you've got different upsells. It's the whole interface is like archaic. So I figured out a way to set it up through my company, Figure Eight Marketing, where we could track long-term, like lifetime value for each network and each sub-affiliate within those networks. So then I launched these offers that they had on various networks and through other affiliates, but paid them on a CPA basis. So those affiliates knew exactly what they were getting paid and when. I was able to pay them out a lot faster than ClickBank would. Because they take like this 12-week hold on your funds, and
because of refunds.
It's just not ideal. So so that was really good. The first year, like since January 2019, like just went nuts with that offer. And then throughout the year, I guess probably like 3 months into 2019, we were running somebody else's product in the upsell. And they're like, well, let's just get our own product made. It's like this, it's called Flat Belly Tea. And so they had it made, and they then branched off the digital side of the company with the physical side. And I'm in the process of joining them on the physical side as a partner. So we're kind of separating those brands so that we have the e-com store with the physical products kind of as its own company.
Nice.
And now we're focused on building offers for those physical front end products, running traffic to the e-com store, really like nurturing and growing our customer database, creating loyal customers that are going to keep buying, or whether it's on auto ship or just reordering.
Yeah.
So that partnership has been amazing.